So here we have Angel's 2016 GTI. As you can see, it doesn't look like we've ever cleaned the engine. Actually, I'm not sure if we have. But I'm going to use my favorite super clean product, which is this aerosol. I don't know why. All the super clean works good, but the aerosol I really like for some reason. So this is dry, and I'm gonna spray it down with this and let it sit. It doesn't take very long. I'll probably only let it sit for 5 minutes or so, and then I'll use the electric pressure washer, which you don't need. You can just use a regular hose, because this, I'm sure most of you know, but I've been using Super Clean since high school. I think when it came out, it was made by Castrol. It was like Castrol Super Clean, I'm pretty sure, but not anymore. It's just Super Clean, and you can buy it in gallons and reduce it and use it for so many things. But anyways, this is my favorite, and let's see how she does. Probably not. I'd recommend not doing this in direct sunlight like I am. It just happens to be where I'm at. I'm gonna keep spraying this down, and we'll be back when I rinse her off. Alrighty then. It's been sitting for a minute. Alright, she's been sitting for a couple minutes, and I'm gonna start washing her down. I'm just gonna start on the outsides, where I didn't even spray this, just to get all this crap out of here. So yeah, there you go. You can see how clean all this is. It looks brand new. It hasn't been cleaned in 10 years. Now there's probably some precautions you want to take and stuff you want to protect to not get blast water in some of your electronics and stuff. So do that. Do your own research on that. I have never paid any attention to that, and I just blast everything. I never had a problem. But I assume you can have many problems, so just be mindful of what you want to protect. But there you go. Brand new. So after I do this, when I'm done, I'll just start the car, make sure I didn't get water in anything, let it run, let it warm up, and dry all the water out. Easy as that.